Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to import and use custom high school team builder in Road to the Glory in College Football 27. So first we need to download custom team. For that, go to create and share from the main menu, then select download center. From here we can download community created schools, playbooks or sliders. I want to download schools. For that, just go over to the school category, then press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation to open the search menu. From here you can search for any specific keyword or username. So for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna download any of the team from here. So let's say I want to download this team. I just need to select it and then I can select the preview option before downloading it, or just select download to download the team in our game. Once the team is downloaded, go back from here and open Road to the Glory option. So we have Road to the Glory, select it and then choose start. From the setup screen, we need to select import high school team builder. After that, we need to select the team which we want to replace with the custom team. So let's say I want to replace this team. I just need to select it. Now select the team which you have downloaded. So this is the one. I just need to select it. After that, select use the team builder roster. And there we go. We have successfully imported our custom high school team in Road to the Glory in College Football 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.